What's up, my people? Welcome back to the channel. So I have some things I'm gonna share with you guys. And my people, why may I tell you now? So right now, Jakes and Rosealee is at it. You see me I say? The whole family you would say. Jakes family also at it because Jakes and him uncle must kick off my people over him linking with Rosealee. You see me I say? So TikTok I have some things to say also about Rosealee buying a vehicle. You know what I mean? We also have the Lion Man and Annie kick off. You understand? So my people, make we get I don't know if I left out nothing. I don't think I left out nothing still. But maybe we even add more things as we go on. So make we kick it off.
So you know that you are the care the problem and the things them. Cause today, when I'm puzzling them with the mechanic, I said to him, so come get a car and show me for drive too less and I will pay you. Me I call the man, I see him walk up to the man and I know when tell the man, so I see the man come and I walk away. Right? Then buy now. Me not beg Jakes family them nothing, you know, cause Jakes family no give me no mind chant and barbar. And I say me I beg them nothing. Me more forgive them. You understand? Alright. Me beg the man follow me go up the road and the man a walk with me. Jakes walk down the man, box out the liquor out of the man, big man and I have him and a pint up in the big man and I tell the big man, so the big man licky and the things them out for war the man. When I look them gone back down at the car. When I look, me see him stinking, mama like up the road at 1 with a plate of food in her hand with your hungry dirty self. Here one pull out her mouth, chaka. Left no, everybody start the bungaroo side of the blood clot car. Take my life.
Of course.
Cause this shit them not tell a lie on me. How I do what I want war side of the blood clot car. No, as the car move, nobody now war there.
Yes, and the car them want mash up, mama. Your car them want mash up, Miss Man. We know.
Right now the car move, nobody now there. Right now the car move, nobody now there. So boy no want war with the car there.
Yeah.
She come suck with girl, me say like your mama. Just mama when me blood clot fee and give me blood clot things, you know. The last time I hear come and me come, I know I hear one come. Your son they are rank, your son they on social media rank every day. Your son can buy one pack of bread and pay one girl for do your blood clot. And she favor mad man.
Man, mama, will see it.
Bad man on the football. One. Mr. When I time him and one boy toss up, you know, come go to one flashback to him and the boy toss up and the boy tell him, done, you know. Jakes back which I'm car, you know.
Repeat back that again, Rosie.
I say when I time him back, the back time, yeah. From car back windscreen, you know. Yeah. And him and one boy a toss me, yeah, before I move. Tell me how to mash up this. Tomorrow you have to go unblock Munchie and moderator.
Munchie?
Yeah, stay black car.
No, guys, who black Munchie? Pull her.
She share the live. You have to unblock her. Look here and unblock her. Right. Name Munchie November 26. I'm a good girl.
Mads, put Munchie from a place.
You know trouble is, man? Tamara don't trouble this blood clot, man, and I see this one and fast with this blood clot, man. More than Tuesday, man, I call him and say to him, say, yeah, the pie rank money much in there, and I told you lunch money, you get it pay to them.
Yeah, because we are talking about it, mama. Because we know everything, you know, we know him not run no papers.
No papers, no nothing. We say I told you lunch money, you get it pay to them. What them want with me? You not trouble them people here?
Not tell like Rosie, for you turn on the live, I tell them, me belly at me and me head. Me just like, me just sit on yourself. I I said me just wait for you come
I
back.
don't come and go way up the road and go by me, go way up the blood clot road. I don't come and go way up the blood clot road and come back and she start fast with me again.
That are the mama.
That's the mama.
She can't stay far from them because them ever they run fairly and remember them living in one different lane in a chat. And them the woman say she come out her house in there side her car.
Them not listen, you know. Your mother and Black Munchie,
Yeah,
Mara. You're not listening, you're not listening, man, got a restraining order against me. Alright, fine, I have a problem. It's around the lane with the pity them there, around the Ova Rosealee house. That's why I don't go around there.
Yeah.
But don't me try not and avoid me youth them, you know, me avoid them. So me know so him always in the lane tomorrow, me not go around them, I buy me put them 2 phone and call them per phone.
Yeah.
And me avoid him. Cross the road him come since like I do live. Why you text it for me? Now not afraid me not so no. Remember say tomorrow them him to go restraining order, you know.
Yeah,
No make him to go restraining order. No make him feel some type of way like me walk a trouble them stinking blood clot people here. To go restraining order, they never see the paper. If it's a joke.
So you did get served, mama? You get served, Rosie?
No, you could. You never serve me, I'm never there. To go restraining order. Lawyer them tell me to go restraining order.
Oh, fuck out.
To go
Rosie,
restraining order.
Rosie, me not think the restraining order they real.
Well, me no know enough, I mean, I look on it. I know me not fast with it stinking, man.
Yeah, me understand. Me not think it real though.
Lala, me don't even call this man phone.
No, we know that in a Rose because at the end of the day we're paying attention. We know
Me not
that.
trouble this stinking man. Me not trouble, me not trouble him. Me not see mama fast with mama either. Why they me out the road away past someone, me look the
Boy, my people, I want to tell me what you think in the comment section because Jaja, this a carrier I go start World War Uma 3. Me I tell you. So, people, I want to know who fall and Jakes a build the house pan because seeing that Jakes is a man who don't really work that often, where him get land from. You see what I say? A family land him a build it pan. People, you see family land, you know, make sense. You go build no wall house pan family land, you know, because you don't know what might man to kick off, you know. You see me I say, what go happen to the house? And enough of that me say go on. You see me? So, I want to tell me what you think in the comment section with people. Jaja. So, Rosealee, you know, my people buy her car and it cost this big contention. And then me ask my people, why Jakes are force him people them to not deal with Rosealee when them are friend for over how much years? Because you and her break up, that no mean say them to stop talk to her. You see me? So let me know what you think my people. Make me watch some more.
the two of them, him stand up with that man attack, I'm saying, she come and stand up. They just move. We just move. Now show them a best coming and mash up my car. Oh, going a little car out there for them mash up my blood clot car with them bagger.
And then bad mind self. The blood clot are gone, man.
Ensure so you go take out one against them and make them serve it to
Me
them.
not walk as fast with people. Me have time to look at people. Me not walk as fast with people.
Far from your gate. That is the only way them are going to see a gate.
Me say, me don't talk to you, bro. I said, I want to serve them 50 paper. Them a junk for them a germs. Jakes and the mama Capricorn, them will never stop.
So,
I try to get them not stop.
Guys, not tell no. Come I couldn't not read the room. So the man, the whole family them is a tant in the woman blood clot back. The woman can't blow in her own space. Yes, I couldn't not read the room. The woman can't blow in her own space.
You see them not understand this thing, you know. Them things say they could pay upon them something, they go do something to the man. You hear what the man
do shit.
when you hear what him say on him live, him nah stop mess with her. You understand?
Nah, stop.
Him say
I
it
don't
out.
want him. Him tell me already say me and him can't left, you know.
I want to shock him, mama. I want to shock him. In a style. Yeah. We like it.
Stand your grounds here. That's all I can tell you.
But then we are try about that watch it from Friday.
Stand your grounds.
Me not call this man phone and this man I call my phone. Me wonder what this man I call my phone because I not call him phone. Me not trouble him, me not say nothing to him.
Stand your grounds. Stand your grounds.
I'm a doctor ask me at times how the lunch money go.
Stand your grounds. Stand your grounds because that is not a life to live. That is not life. Better out there.
But me I can't tell me that's not life live. Me and this man not there.
Me know that, mama. Me know.
Me and him not there. Me and him not there.
Me know.
Me and him not there. Me and him not there. And me alone sleep in my bed every night. You know I need this man a dirty man. I have not pay him the mind.
Just go and hold it, mama. Just go and hold it.
Me and him not there. Me and him not there. Me not trouble his stinking blood clot dirty man. Not trouble this man and his mama. Me not trouble this man not there. You know when you're somebody not there, you don't want somebody like that. Me not there. You have to leave me leave me the fuck alone. Leave me alone.
Guys, Rosealee, Rosie, a big woman in us, Shana eat that in a chat.
Me not leave no blood clot where.
Yeah.
Let me have one blood clot bad man. Me have one bad man brother couldn't do it.
Yeah, do it, mama.
Just because him know say me have a bad man like him see my take a set.
Yeah, look.
Them people out text them people when them think weak, you know. Just have my family my mascot.
Mama, true him know, mama. And if he does have a cousin.
But bad. Him couldn't try nothing.
Call it for dark room. Tunnel for tunnel. Squeeze we are squeeze. Shut up, Trinity. I'm mute here, man, cause shut. I tell you.
The blood clot problem. Say we have even one bad. Just could not do it. That even mama couldn't talk. Catch them to my mouth out. I hear gunshot on them outside, but them have to run away. I show him know that.
Guys, only not hear Jakes over there talk to. Only not hear Jakes over there talk to. I hope when you catch piece of that over there now. I don't like on a style chat. Yeah, man. We are woman. Only not hear the long seed man over there talk.
See the page name the Tamara. Laugh and go on.
I said, Tamara, I'm one this thinking man do have to leave me alone. Me ain't not there. Me not trouble you. Me not look on you.
Oh my God.
Me not trouble you.
This is
Police come pick him up since night, you know.
yeah. And them carry him back.
Carry him back, you know.
Yes, Tamara.
No, true, let me see. My belly just a hurt me chop, my not in the line. My belly a hurt me.
Play that, nigga, I can't tell the truth.
Calm down, mama.
Why not try for war on my car? Hmm? Where you at? Go in your yard. Go war on your yard. Where you be the house and me not going to go fast with you, so you come by the front, come fast with you. But not get this thing, you know, where the man a be the most, so they don't even see me go around there. So when I tell move to walk.
Yeah.
Double this man.
Look, so, suck your mother, girl. Look, so, suck your mother. Block the fuck out the out of my chat, please. Don't upset me, my girl. Don't blood clot upset the fuck out here. Me I beg you, do. One boy your business, drunk, man clown, man idiot. Lift up out of my chat, fuck out. Huh?
Big time I left this man for a piece of mind and I can't go piss and I don't know why that hurt me. I say I come out of my yard to go park my car and come back on the bed, come lie down on my blood clot bed. But that fuck around the man and tell the man say, I hope later you don't call me, I go fuck up, I go fuck. You can't do that, you can't do that. So I say, alright then. So I know say I fuck with him. I say, I done my life, so I go park my car and I come on my bed. What the problem? Me not trouble you. You don't go text me for your blood clot woman, man. We have text it for me for.
Nobody don't want him, mama. Because him having money, crazy.
You don't want him neither.
Nobody don't want him, crazy, mama. I want
You're not supposed to have an argument with me. Why me move from Seaview? Somebody pan 4 o'clock. My friend tell my friends to listen to.
My people, me I tell you something, man. You see, if GX continue them behavior where him a go on with, me I tell you say, him a go lose support eventually. You see me? Because him have to focus on himself and the house where him a build for him youth, them he can make jealousy and bad mind take control of him. And him want hurt the woman or the vehicle, him want mash up or whatever. You see me? Him feel love Rosealee make she live her life. You know what I mean? Me know it hurt him say boy him not in at the BMW, but him spread him bed. Him have to lay down night. You understand? Yo, success no come overnight. And that him have to know. And when you see people have them things, you see what I say? It can inspire you to go harder, work harder, whatever to achieve what you want to achieve in life. But don't bad mind them. Because here Rosealee say them start fight beside the car. You know what I mean? Nothing but them want to mash up the woman car. Why people? Tell me what you think. Make you watch some more.
Me. Like people the person that you trigger you. Body not trouble, body not soon, body not fast, we don't know. Body not soon, no. We not troublemaker, we not problem, you cross his mama. Them both so good, yeah. I say at 2025 the body is so good. At 2025 now, miss. Too bad for you. We are sitting fast with my fa.
So she did have the knife, Rosie?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. She did have the blood clot like I want when me and girl in a blood clot entanglement. Yeah, yeah, come up but protect her and security. Oh, your mama run out with knife now. I not tell her to stop.
Marcia look fuck out from her.
One long kitchen bitch. I never move. People are all up on her. Me nah move.
She step with it, step here with it.
What you say? Come on, me I become a little like you.
One page named Big B a stream record me. Let me look for Big B. Let me look for that page there. Hold on there. Yeah, I lie. I wanna not like me. I wanna really a scream record a fuck out here. I know a dog gonna terrible upon the app. Remember I wanna not like fuck out tomorrow and so wanna scream record me. I must have fake page that I use chat. But now I go find it. Go and talk.
Me not trouble her. One big kitchen bitch. Come out. But say, more want to say stop me. I'm coming and fight them. More want to say stop me. I'm in a dead. Yeah, put it on. I don't get you that your son. You a text it and you a text it. Oh, leave me alone. Me ain't not dead. More wingworm in a wall, cockroach night, ants night, duck ants, magic sign, more of them all, I'm take it. You ain't they leave me alone. The argument done.
Same way so. Same way so.
The argument finished. You ain't they leave me alone. You're supposed to tell people not chat to me, come in the way I tell people not chat to me for. They have trouble you? We can't tell people don't talk to you. That means say an enemy you want to walk and build against me. So you come over TikTok come friend all of my enemy them. Play stay so. You want a bedroom set and some lamp pile and jug you want comb. This woman with the big land kitchen bitch. You see what this? Trouble you? You not stinking people here.
Look out, Marcia. No, sir. And them careless blood clot girl, them no want for my mama. Cause from Marcia, bam, Marcia, fuck pangoli, and I get all a fuck pangoli, chatter first me see it. Anywhere you're born, you're supposed to do something. Elevate yourself, move. You're still a fuck out pan the gully, Marcia. No, man. Marcia on a body chat. Just for me that, my man. Marcia on a body chat, just the truth. Come back in our box design. Come back in our box, sis. Guys, anybody, sis, you have something to say to Rosie? Because you don't know the whole way over yourself. You have something to say to Rosie, Desire?
Rose, I say it already, I'm going to say it again. 6 seconds, sis. Everybody, now watch them. Now listen to them. Fix a crown. You know exactly who you are, and that's all that matters. All the people, them, all the haters, them. Don't make them get you. Don't make them stress you. The path you're going on, that's what they hate. The happiness that you have now found, that is what they hate. And that them a bad mind for. Them sit down in a box and them group up and them talk all sort of things. Because them hate the fact, so you're a happy girl. Just fix a crown. Live your life. Do you.
Alright, my people, I don't talk too much. Let me know what you think in the comment section so I could get back in it, my people.
Because your happiness is showing. Your happiness is showing. It's evident that you're happy.
Classy, my mods them black you know. You keep on typing. You are typing on my chat, my arm, Classy. So my mods them are black you. I'm not pulling no more. Huh? My mods them black you know. I'm not pulling no cap. Sweetheart. One talk, Rosie.
I'm good. I'm good. You see from the other day, when Kazima watch me, you know. Oh, him not see no screen a card with me and Bossy. Him thinks me and Bossy no they're on a good terms.
Yes.
So he might try find back him way for crawl back in, you know. Find back him way for crawl back in and want look away. You know, you can't find back him way for crawl back in and somebody like.
Yeah.
Because
Yeah,
what day I'm dey on my phone and around the road, me I pass around the road. I'm dey on my phone and I walk through the lane and him see me. The man throw him light up on me. You know,
yeah.
somebody you pass somebody and somebody throw them light up on you.
Me hear you talk about it.
You know, when you pass one of your man friend, you know, your man no good, your man no throw the light up on you for ramp with you.
Yeah.
I hold my head straight, me don't open my mouth, so me no say. Me no say. And him no see me a Hakeem. When enter me, I no say rude, I no, in a rude way. It's in a playful way. Like me a pass, you don't stick a look at time, you just spring the light up and it lick me.
Look back friend thing there.
Yeah.
Look back friend thing there. Him a jar a go on.
Me hold
Yeah.
my head straight, me hold my head straight, and me no look on him. But still long time me I get attack from my phone. Me see my man pass and I skin off him teeth and I kiss off of me. I make sure take my time and go and go lock my door because I say no what. Make me take my little time and go and go lock my door because I don't want you go over where you asleep and feel like say me still outside and come out there, come when the light no then about they come force on yourself for me and hug me pan. You know them go away there, so I make sure I move.
Make an obvious yourself, show everybody who you is. So he know you been robbed. And you gonna make him strip him.
I make sure I move. Me and the day, me not follow you up. But you what you know, him no know if me and the man in a nothing, you know. So when him start through back on phone screen now, it costs all the books loose again. I remember one of the time then when him did one of the time when him did the lie a girl place I sleep out her city. Him go up on the man live go type say, me and I let you know you can't have her. You know way man do that for.
Him not in a lane for the boss. Guys, get this. Him not in the lane for the boss. Yeah. Not just the truth.
I'm too enough. We go up on the boy live go tap. Tell the boy say, me and I left you can't have her. That means say I watch the people them live. You long and I watch me. Nobody me no want you, you know, have your woman, you don't want your woman. You have your woman where you text it from afar. Me don't want you.
You can't believe say you don't want him, Rosie.
Me don't want him.
Oh, Rosie, you can't believe.
So he left him in a tomorrow and him left me, you know.
We don't know. We know I just the bad mind them go and tell them not see it. But we know.
Me left him and him left me. Me left him. Was that him left me? It's me left him. Me don't want him. Me don't want him. And the boss don't want me. Me know me don't want him. So me don't have no problem.
Them not
Yeah,
worry
right.
about bossy. Them not worry about bossy, man. I ask.
Just can't take the stress.
Just go and hold it, mama. Just go and hold it, Rosie, because you know me, I tell you. You know you go through me, girl. What's the winter?
The bag yeah, and the bag stress.
I want to win a second side of the. You see me? Yeah.
Can't take the yeah, and the bag of stress, and the yeah, and the yeah, every minute with people, and the bag of chatting, and but don't even go around, no, me put them there around the road, I'm not around the road, and always there, but don't even go around there. And I avoid, me put them just avoid, no, leave me alone. Me not have trouble, no. I don't want a friend. Me don't need to move here, leave me alone. They not there, me make my decision.
Oh, God.
Just have a prayer and hope for the best. That's why you get back your kids them and start out yourself.
And the man stay far from you, brother. I'm really too much right now.
Obsessed. I'm obsessed with Rosie.
The obsession him not stop.
Him just can't believe, so guys, may I tell you now, him can't believe so Rosie really, it a 1 month and it gone in our next month. May I tell you no chat?
Can't believe some left him.
Yes, him can't believe say jump in our next month.
Remember some left my left side I'm from September the 20 something, you know.
Yeah.
And that month I make the 20 something that month I make 1 month. And a month I soon done that going to one next month I'm nah look for him. Me no want him round my back and belly like him a poison. Me no care, me no want him round me.
Yeah, our man coming at the box, you know, and tell and say, Tamara, if you can get to Rosie, just make sure know if she want to go relax our Airbnb. Tell her say I will pay for it. Yes, him coming at the box when the excitement. Chat, yeah, and I think we did follow him, yeah. Him said
Yeah, I
just
can bring me down so.
yeah, him saying that pay for you go just go relax again. Him coming at the box, come talk it, Mr. Boasty, yeah. Same name chat. I wonder if him did under you guys gonna share it between for me. Mama go relax a couple more days. Yeah. I eat a this a mad.
I plan them sitting here and I torment the girl, you know. The boy them a cross, man.
We are torment, me not torment, we are tormenting far. Stay far from me, I don't know friend in our trouble, me not soon, me don't know friend. Leave me, I'm alone. The moment tell me I want to go, I live in a month. The more I live in a month, and your business that miss me now beg a plate of food. Me now beg you a plate of food. Me now beg you no nothing. Me now beg you no nothing.
Your money a burn them Rosie because them can't come beg it again.
Exactly, because I now look on a body, me I never a friend.
Your money a burn them because them can't come beg you $1 again. Yes.
Fling and lick this. Fling and lick this.
Some people, this is when them a fight beside the car, right? And hear me I say, you see in life, you see when you step up in a life, you have to know which part, which circle you go in at. You know what I mean? You have to know where to hang out, because not everywhere that you used to hang out, you go hang out again. Or hang out same way, because jealousy and bad mind is a hell of a thing. And Rosealee have a vehicle, you know, left the community when you want to go somewhere. Unless it's an event where you know the people them and you just want to go show yourself and way. But me feel like Rosealee kinda like rub certain things in a Jake's face. Cause me hear she said on the live say him a go regret what him do. So every chance she get to make him regret what him do, she a go give him that. She a go show off on him. She a go, you know what I mean, do the things them hype on him certain way. Well, me know she want to laugh, you know what I mean, or she want say yeah, you know what I mean, you see how me there so and you there so, but that can make, you see me I say, this man ya do something out of the way, you know how a person I think. So I feel like say she not really go around certain people or go around places in the community. I don't know if she drive go where she was, or I just saw the vehicle park. You know what I mean? But she have to move different, because it seems like say oh, you know what I mean, them we try mash up our things. Let me know what I think.
That's if a blood color, bad minded boy. Bad minded boy, sing and lick this. Come suck me, not even run up and down. Me nah move. Me nah move. You mad? Wait for what? Me nah move. Me nah move. Me live here so me can't park here so. She out there so she live over the gully and he must see. Good man. I'm good. What to do, me? I'm good. Smoke. I'm good. The police not go. The police not go. The police take the suck pussy boy and carry him back. The police go for the suck pussy boy and carry him back. Yes. Yeah, I'm good. Me I go and vape. Why? You know what trouble people? I'm tired of the dirty people until it's a shame to blood clot. Yeah, for true. I'm literally tired of the dirty people is a shame to bumper clot. I'm tired of the dirty people until it's a shame. Tired of them, tired of them, tired of the dirty people tired of them till they look bad. I'm tired of them. I'm just tired of them. I'm just tired of them. Because the bad now soon not fast food, you know. But every fucking time when you see people on fast food, I'm tired of the dirty people. I'm tired of them till they look bad. I'm tired of the dirty people. I'm tired of somebody, I'm just tired of them. Can't bother. I too much problem I go on in my life now. I need to tip off the curb. I'm just tired of them. I can't bother. I'm tired. I'm just tired of the dirty people. I'm tired of them. Tired of them, tired of them, tired of them. Like, every time I try to avoid these people, them always I walk and follow me up. I walk in, I'm away. I'm not soon, I'm not trouble, I'm not fast, you know. I'm not soon, I'm not trouble, I'm not fast, you know. I'm not soon, I'm not trouble, I'm not fast, you know. Me not soon, me not trouble, me not start fast, you know. Wow. Look, me no know it. Come look if I see a slippers in a girl. It's like me can't get them people that offer me. Them come like cross, sister blood clot. I can't bother, man. I can't bother. Can't bother. Jake's mama want a bed. Me say I come text it from people. Up here, say them a text it. I don't want to be a text it from my phone. Me not do nothing, you know. I don't do one blood clot shit more than. But the my life, I'm say I go keep out the car. Right? If I'm buy the car, I pay school fees and the judgment. Me not pay nobody no mind. I say I go park the car. You understand? I say I go park the car. Anyway, I come out of my yard, I'm go on my car, I pull my car door, and I knock off the cigarette ashes out of my car. Right? The uncle come and I say few words to blood clot me. Him grand uncle come and I say, what happened, June? And I say nothing. Me blood clot. The man depend. Pick your side. Pick your side. So me I say, what is wrong with this blood clot stinking boy? Me never call it. Me not call it uncle big uncle nothing. Where I tell the big man to pick him side like say, you want somebody for blood clot, see you. Pick your side. So I say what is anyway me take my local time and I say come book here, me book here walk with me blood clot.
People, me know GX they go sorry. Me know GX they go sorry when Rosealee left him. You see me I say? Because we see it happen enough time. This is not the first time we see something like this happen. The man take the woman for granted and no progress are going. Like she has show the progress you know and him not in the picture. So him a go feel some type of way. If you know say so much years me and you there and we have struggled together and now you reach a place in a life where a long time him did want her to buy the car and other people and see it then now she buy a vehicle but him not did it for full drive it because him would have drive it. So all of that up in him head now. And as I said before, you can't tell a person who to deal with. You know what I mean? Because at the end of the day, a person go choose side, seeing, and you and the person start deal, and the person where him choose side against. You know what I mean? How it a go look when you and that the people, me tell you something, man. You say if a person not do nothing, mutual with them. Don't follow nobody and malice nobody.
The man go up with them uncle face and box the liquor out of the big man and for why the big man, you know, over one cup of liquor, like you want come style the big man over one cup of liquor, you know, one cup of liquor because you want him to pick him blood clots. Pick your side. The man even pick your blood clot side and you a walk a fast with me. Because if you take out restraining order against me, what the fuck you do in front of my yard gate? You make them tell me to go restraining order big and bold. What the fuck you do in front of my yard gate? And when your uncle said animosity, alright, when me carry down, I want to start it. Where you build a house? Me not go run where you build a house go take set pan you. Where you build a house? Me not go run go take set pan you. In front of me yard get my car park and they stand up. From there, from blood clot, they out them there. I look at him and I don't see him. Come now walk a fast with this stinking man cause me don't want him. When you look, the mama come down the road and come talk about wanna make this a dirty gala in argument to that. Man say you can't argue with nobody, you want beard. You want beard, and them a text said pa me. You want beard. You can't give it no blood clot body. Cause from the last day you come on social media when the head don't come, the head still don't come. I'ma change all the hairstyle. You used to beg me my blood clot things. I don't know who you get bright with. And the car them problem. And the car what my buy them problem. My seat in a film I the car what my buy them problem. And them the one who hold me down, I'm enough for below. At them time upon him for me. At the car, I'm buy them probably. You want, Mr. One night time chat? The man all bunks for me car, you know. I not want to leave my blood clot place. I'm not in them way. Why if I leave my place? I'm not in them way. I not disturb them. Why? I come to them, I go up on my life, and I make on the blood clot no say. Him hours in the lane when I put them there, I not go around there. One of the putting them hours blood clot around them, I not go around there. I like my blood clots, so I don't fucking go around there. I don't go around there with the people, I don't go around there. Me don't need to listen to nobody a blood clot. Oh.
You good, my baby?
Yeah.
Oh, make sure you're good. Just come on, man. Just come on, man. Somebody text me and tell me say the panel. Oh God. You know one thing at the next thing, ma?
Ma?
But something have to be done. I know you have them, but I don't know. I know what you have.
Nah, run left my yard for no blood clot, but I not see and trouble you. I not soon and fast, so I not soon. How no, me know him and his mama hungry. I not trouble them, leave me alone. You're not blood clot if you left for what you do like come right there so the car there and want to start one animal steer on it. How you build a house, you know, see me go around there and make no problem. Where you build a house, you know, see me go around there and make no problem. And you never see me go around him house and make problem yet. Him not use a Wi-Fi. I just problem the batty boy want me for.
People, tell me what you think in the comment section, right? Because this thing here, it look like it'll get from bad to worse. You see, because if she can pull up her own yard and jump out her car and there's somebody there for, you know what I mean? As she said, I steer her down and all different type of foolishness. Tell me what you think in the comment section. And I feel like say Rosealee left from this, or What? Tell me what the things she fi do. Because some of the time, you know, my people, it's not that you think there are nobody, you know. You see me I say, but you have to just protect your energy. You understand? And give them the and say, alright, take the place then. You know what I mean? I'm going about my business. You see it? So tell me what you think in the comment, my people. But me I gonna make you hear what TikTok lawyer have to say about Rosealee buying a car, my people. We are watch, you know, right over there we are going, you know.
See him. Since there, him and the brother out there steer my blood clot down my park, my car, just coming in my house. Yes, so that's the same thing. I mean, I trouble them.
You not listen. You can't have BMW.
I wonder which one should I go park it, you know?
No, Rosealee, me talk to you, girl, you not listen. Me want you get a vehicle in a girl, me want you get a vehicle. Because when they may say a big rider, you go pay a toll, that was very embarrassing. But you cannot. You have to first, you have to clean out the rat and the roach them. Do the laundry. Get a toilet. What else you need to do? Show me under the bed. What else you need to do, okay? Move the washing machine when it not work. Buy a washing machine. What else?
Change out them window, because one of them not pay any night.
Yeah, change the window. Them little things that you need to do. Then you get... Okay, but our yard front look like one car can park in there. You think one car can park in there? Get like a driving lesson. Open the fridge. The little things that was nothing wrong, you know.
Fix the electrical in our house.
Yes, we want you to
like
get the car.
something at the ceiling, something.
But right now, I think you're dyslexic. You're jumble up with a teacher. You're dyslexic? You're dyslexic like you learn back way? Because okay, like she get a lesson here back way.
We never tell her go there.
Because I know the clothes them no wash. That she tell her. So the clothes them no wash.
And she charged $60,000 because it should pay her work for doing all no.
No, Rosealee, come on, man. We are teacher, but you're not learn. It is supposed to get a toilet. Child, how much for one toilet in Jamaica? You need to go get a toilet. Because they must say that the toilet are the problem, you know, is like the sewer. So what she needs to do? Clean out the sewer? Get the sewer clean, chat, as I go. What she need to do? Get the people them come pull the sewer? Chat, what she need to do? Come, chat, tell me. What she need to do? Get the people them to come pull the sewer?
A pit there on this, huh?
Me not know, like, what she need to do, chat. What she need to do? She need to pull out the sewer.
Where the toilet wouldn't work.
Terry, go put your mouth and make Rosealee use it as a toilet. You want Tishanika. You want to go use Rosealee overflow, okay? You know them places will be long time. So it overflow. So now the toilet, the problem is like they can't flush it. You know, it overflow from time because the thing back up. Just gonna call it the sewer back up. So pull the sewer first, fix that, then get a toilet. What else, okay, we should even do first? Yeah, no man, girl, you deserve the vehicle, but you can't do things backward. You can't do things backward. Get some driving lesson. You have to at least move the car if emergency, right, Kay?
Yeah.
You have to at least move the car in an emergency. So meanwhile you have to do them things there, you get a little driving lesson if you can at least move the car in case of emergency. And Rosealee, that is not your car. You cannot fit in there. You cannot fit in there. You're wrong. Akeem, you do the girl wrong. And it's an X1.
So why Akeem never teach her how to drive first? Well, now she have a car and can teach her still.
Rosealee looks like she has sweat in her car. I must buy her car to rot in. Like, you know, somebody I say, like, you know, we're happy to get the car and thing, but, you know, follow instructions. Because a bad to bad girl, me not that your favorite person, you're not my favorite. But me not go hate pan a girl when a girl do her them thing. When I go hate pan a girl, but a girl feel do them thing right. Right, Kay?
Yeah.
A girl feel do them thing right. What the boss was she did forget name, Kay? The van. The Voxy. You get a Voxy then. What's her name? Voxy?
Yeah, Voxy.
Get a Voxy. You think she can fit in that one there? But no chat here. It's when they go to the river where they and everybody line up and they must show they the type of car where they have. She don't want to have Voxy.
Oh, Voxy a Toyota.
Yes, remember when they go to the river and everybody line up. Everybody with pay rent and line up and I show you their labels. You remember? And I remember?
Mm-hmm.
Remember when they go to the river? There's somebody that show how much car line up at the river. And everybody a pay rent to us.
You're the only one we're not appearing.
I live no life and she not pay the rent. But chat, we could play that video here. We find she brought that chat. Rosealee, go back in and listen. You need to listen. Exterminator? Yes, you need an exterminator. You cannot have a BMW and a no toilet for shit in there. No. And you can't have a BMW, you don't have a garage. Girl, you do things backward. Go back to the drawing board.
You have beautiful girl, you would not to go on no filter. What would they even say about when you sit down front way and look far away? Number one, we know you're big and ugly, they look little and cute to me. Just because you start pick up papers lying on the ground and take people in from underneath your bed and out of your fridge. And you walk and hold on everybody.
And me fi tell you, Gally, I'm a good man. I'm a good man, they're not do me nothing. I'm good. This woman come talk about her car and her car and her car. Her country come to town. Frightened Friday. You stupid? You're not even chatting with you. My uncle me talk to you, you feel offended. So I tell my uncle to chat to you. You can't want this to my family, I want my uncle them deal with you. Who choose stone? Hey, let me get disrespectful, you know. Who chose stone?
You can't go around there. As much as you see my billows, them so live around there, them live bad. Whole scheme no. Run the survey and I scheme and make me lock my eye and say me I will get the same result with me. The whole of them live bad. The more they live around that you can't, the more live.
Alright my people, so let me know what you think in the comment section. You can watch some more and then we're going to move on to the next.
They live around the yard, you know. And left here blood, left one pan of draw so around the much there for that draw. Why? My dear. Yeah. One blood clot bad pan of sour draws. G-string and different panting in a tile till it's sour. I say, no, you got to leave. Go back over the gully. She can't stay around there. I used to share off and up. I'm a son. You know, you try like pies. The last time the mama come and me, I have to tell the mama buy one phone for you because the man I buy it out of her pocket. And I fear that. I'm a man who fuck and breathe for the man. I saw me get acquainted with you know. And you come from friend, you can't buy that one phone for $100. The mama she knows I want simpler phone she buy. She not buy no phone for $100 gear. And I mean them always want to come class. Them live very bad. And them know enough. The mama want to corporate no call look money I want. Wait till she hungry and even want food and them not gear it. Jake's mama gonna such a hotel. Jake's mama gonna such a hotel. Police just a gunman, you know. And police a walk out look for him. Mr. Jake's mama gonna such a tell police that Jake's a gunman. And police a walk and look for him. And me blood clot here come here. And me blood clot here come here. I'm gonna prison your blood clot. I rough people them. I just gotta look at money around and she can't my son. You can't beg you one spliff. And the young boy we are fuck she. The younger than Jake's now have it. Cause mechanic work him do perfume for the workplace. All him want 2 good suit are close to. But anyway, we're not gonna do that. Coming out the place doesn't hungry and naked, so I pure hungry, naked, blood cut dirty people. Dude, my son, you can't be and it will get it. So me know the details. And then I like that one and I cannot paint. And them are dirty people. And them salt. Somebody come in my inbox, in my inbox, and I'm on my phone. I don't remember in my ears up on my phone. So somebody have a jokes like, so I'm going to buy the mama one bedroom set. I mean, I do a sugar put it in them. Because I mean, I'll park my car up the road later. What time now? Every time them see me like I pay a puff, off and puff. Same face, huh? So I hurricane money music and buy me things. Every time the people them see me, you know? Every time them see me and my things. So what? Every time Mr. Jakes walk, see me, huh? So what is not this? And these are the levels of the things we don't understand. TikTok. I never cuff my cuff from the get-go. But me's a person like this. Me no boast, me no hype, me no show off. Me live like some people. Me can't rock the rich. And you see me all the road. You see me all barefoot all the road. Me come out of my vehicle, go buy something somewhere, and I come out and I'm so socks. I want to look at dress, and when I look at dress, and my ear go all pull out. I'm a rotten rich. Me not do boss and hype. Me not turn myself in a target practice. And that's why I still live where me live. I want me live as so somebody know you can't know if me have money or not. I'm still buy the little corner shop same way. I'm still do all of my routine. I'm still blood clot though. I'm still more and piss me out the road. I'm more and piss. Me still cock up and piss him out the road. Yeah. You see what change with that? If piss a come down upon me, I'm in the road. Me don't drop my clothes on the fling tops and shh and poop. So me don't make nothing change about me. So you can't know nothing about me. So 95% of them did say I want to have me money in a car. When I leave, say me, I'm never move. I'm not what the word said, jerk me, because you can't make people know in your belly. You can't people know making your last move. If I want me say me, I buy blood clot car from way up in that blood clot here. One time I say me I go buy for my birthday and change my mind. I pay a change my mind. Because people are watching, you can't make people know your last move. And man, I got do things that talk, you know. You can't know my last move. Me hate it. Because me will be in and put on my clothes and tell me I go on a party, and then 25 minutes my mood change. Now me people know my last move. You ever go see me with things? A long time for buy me car, look how long time for up in my blood clot. You're long time. Me not make people know my last move. Long time. One time I say I go buy it and put off. Me not like people know more about me more than me. So if me a fuck a boy, you can't know. Unless me talk. I just saw me stay.
Camera and good woman when the camera turn on. Boy, a dog shit in a real life. And your boom boom no respect. Anything a boom boom jump for this or that, them get what they want, not even look try. Not even look. Not even look energy for put in if you try get a look boom boom, you a big boom boom. No, sir. Water. But I like to know what's up. What's up? Talk it you now. What's up? Me help the man. But put him as him man this. Him man You can't help the man. But what the fucking man I do by your yard? What the fucking man I do by your yard? And we know your motive. We know your motive. How do you are? You shan't get, you them say anything we live by, you're dead by it, you know. We'll go kill you. We'll go kill your blood clot, you don't like your truth. Me never give blood clot truth. If Jabba's not want to give you truth, I will give you the truth, darling. You fucking time. Like you missed the cocky. Look how much you see TikTok police up there too. How are they we see you come out with one blood clot businessman? How are they we see you come out with one man we say are your businessman? How the businessman is supposed to feel when you see your ex in the house? We see you come by us with one man we say where you say a businessman. All the businessman they need some blood clot. All the businessman they look like that even true. Cause which businessman in their right sense will that take up girl like you? When you big and think and careless. Eh?
Alright my people, so I guess the lion man right now, him no approve or him no like say Annie a bring Annie a bring the youth the our ex run our youth them after what she got through with our previous friends with our youth and them something there. But him for know say yo, them man ya a ex man what she used to deal with, so she know them. You understand what I say? So I don't like say you go have him off for a period of time and then you go say alright, you can come around the family them you know. Them been around the family, so I don't know if them come back around the family. And the two man them were in a certain vibes, you know what I mean, with our youth. Them two man they was not her man. Them did just some man will come around her and our youth them. You see me I say? So let me know what you think my people.
You're not team begging, brother. Yo, that you the one named team beg, bro. Why you feel like, yo, bro, stop the man and stop working and run me show now, yo. You know that if you really know me, like them things that annoy me, bro. Don't tell me what for the dog. But now you tell me about move on. We run this shit, bro.
Flowers, you see me, baby. Yeah, I'm there, so one of my family there, so. One of me just stay and me decide say you come in and feel me don't feel so good, me just can lie down after me don't do everything, me just can lie down because it's just not gonna feel so right, so me just can lie down, you see me? When they stroll past in the youth. And what if I time to see that boy and class me, you know, like a dog and just in my face and laugh
I tell you the truth. When I truth time, I tell you the truth. When I truth time, I tell you the truth. We don't want your crocodile tears them. You see it. And when you have ball, me I go tell you the truth. Because the truth is the truth. You move like you want ball more than Miss Triple. The truth is the truth. I true, me tell her. If it's truth, I hurt her feeling, make you hurt her feeling, but I the truth. Now come over and say I'm playing a victim. I don't play no victim. I truth, me tell her, darling. Me not go cry and I talk about, oh God, I'm sorry. I never even know you're under pressure. Is it true, bro? Play hypocrite. You see, I like when I play hypocrite, I'm telling you the truth, why? This is me when I'm not playing any hypocrite. Alright. I'm going to play the hypocrite role. Annie, you did such a wonderful job, darling. For you to bring that man in your house with your pity them. You did such a well job. I like what you're doing, Annie. You help your ex, you bring him in the house. And I love that. The gem go suck out your mama. Sam go suck out your mama. Congratulations. You help him. Blood clot. I pay the fuck. Yes, clot.
Alright, my people, tell me what you think in the comment section. I don't talk too much.
You don't love woman. What do you mean you don't love woman? What do you mean by that? Let me keep like some me that look Annie fi fuck. You look Annie fi fuck. You mad? What will you do with that?
is okay. I should not tell her the truth. I'm sorry. One love, one. Slime not call me you. Slime not call me you. Talk to him about slime, brother. Slime make slime enjoy himself, you. What the fuck we not tell him about slime for? Add which Annie? If me add Annie right now, I see him through, me go tell her. Apologize for what? Go suck out your mama body, boy. Apologize for what? If you tell her the truth. Go suck your mama. Do no man. Hold on. What else? Adisa?
It's funny. Hey boy, leave blood clot me and a mix me, but maybe no one cut. Tell Sean to me a come. Hey boy, when up?
Who name Sean?
Sean I call you. What happened? Add Sean Jayden.
Who name Sean?
Remember the girl with the head on the live one day, man, and she come from England? Tell her to send the request chat. Me not see her. It said friends only. Hold on.
Come from England.
Yeah, man. If she dip on live, I tell her, say, she dip on live with your Fabia go black her. Oh, see her.
Oh.
Hey. Yeah. I need your help, girl. How I can't do this. Share. Wake up out of my bed. I get a message from somebody over TikTok. I asked me about somebody, man. Some man. I don't know the man. Shay. I alone can run profile. Like Canada people them. I don't know them. I'm just showing everything. Because I'm not right now I am so upset. Jayden, sorry baby. Hi. It's serious. Go in at the message them. She blocked me. So me show you from now. Me get a message. The message I asked me say, if me know somebody named Gavin. So me say me know only for Gavin. Make a mistake right there. So tell me which one. She say from Canada. Me say send me a picture. She say he's on TikTok. His name Clean Art. Me say, why you just get up and ask me this? Talk to me. What's up? Cause me not go search who it is. So just talk to me. She said he's my husband. And I walked in and him talking to you last night on the phone. And you is the person who I identify. Me say, lady, what's your husband TikTok name? And send me a picture of your husband now. Me not upon the long thing. Yeah? She said she sure it's me because him say a me. She, listen, you know. Me say, I don't know. Me say, send me. Me go up, me send her in a me bio. Me go on over me Instagram. She come over me Instagram. See her, yeah? See her picture, yeah? I mean, I play with no girl, you know. See her there? Send me her Instagram. She, wait, because with me, but that's why you hear when the woman come in and me sit and come tell me, you know, she. Me and her over here have a
Girl, me not do TikTok live. I don't do TikTok live. And your number in I'm phone. What England number, your number in I'm phone, and you and him did a talk. Because he didn't deny. He did not deny it. That is you. And I don't do TikTok live and baga.
Listen.
But I'm just saying it to you to leave my husband. He married. Maybe him not tell us I'm married. But me I tell us I'm married and to leave my husband.
Shay, look for the big pants, man. Shay, look for Ed and Eddie. Shay, look for Ed and Eddie. The blood pussy bomber rascal.
I tell us I'm married and to leave my husband.
What him that? Shay, me know the man.
Wow.
Say my number. Yeah, please.
John, you see, ladies, let me tell you something, ladies. You see, from you, I feel take up yourself and I tell your man, I go to a girl and I talk about leave my man alone.
I'm Jayden. Go to a girl. From you take up yourself and go to a girl.
From me take up myself, I go to one girl. I tell girl, so yo, you would never see me do that.
Right.
From a girl I do that, it's done.
Right. We need to find the Canada people.
No more, darling.
Shay, the woman said she see my number. I said, what's the digit? I found her. I said, tell me the trick. You see my number 1 last digit of my number. She can't tell me. So where she live at? Where she live? Canada people them. So you have number for her? No. Oh, I don't say Instagram you have.
And I TikTok she blocked me off.
Give me her TikTok.
She blocked me.
Give me her TikTok.
Yeah, come need this. Yeah, I would have sent out all of my universal credit for this. This is too much.
Give me
one girl for us. Anyone know her name Shan? Where I take the woman husband? Come forward, cause the woman a blame me. The woman find me over TikTok and a blame me, and it's not me. Now you don't see me in a man dilemma before, you not go come put every man for me.
Alright, my people. So tell me what you think in the comment section. We'll go over Annie and hear Annie officer to the lion man.
Send me it over Instagram and give me and let me see, show me the man too.
They send you everything right to blood clot.
Help him. Me have a fuck a blood clot, nigga. Me have your dead smarty for blood clot are there with him. Help. Sure. You see me hear that dirty boy, you see man. Avoid me, you know. Swear to God, you know, I just want to see that youth avoid me, you know, bro. I don't go around that youth, I see that youth disrespect me and drag my family, you know. I'm a youth, them, you know. I want my daughter do a video, you know. And the man see my daughter upon her birthday, my daughter do a video, you know. And the man come and start disrespect my daughter and do video and I diss my look at daughter, you know. The man ever diss my family, you know. I avoid Jayden, you know, youth. Me not deal with Jayden, you know. Me stay far, you know. One thing is them. Share. Yes, me see me baby. Yeah, I'm there, so the whole of my family there, so all of we just there, I decide, say, yo, come, me no feel so good, me just can lie down after me done do what me do today, me just can lie down, cause it's just me don't feel so right, so me just can lie down, you see me? I'm there, I stroll past in the youth. A whole heap of time, I see that boy a class me, you know, like a dog, and just in my face and laugh, you know. A whole heap of time I see them do it, you know. Brother, nobody can tell me say from what they want to see my own, you know. Hear me, I tell you. What go on? Easy, man. I go easy. It's alright. I will go easy for you. Just the phone on, please. Here is. Everything good. You see, everything where you store up on me, it a go come back on you. I promise you that. I promise you that, Jayden. You see, everything where you store up on me and my family, it a go come back on you. You feel good now, and everything where you do, you feel like you fly. You feel like you're right in everything where you do. Jayden, I promise you with the last breath in my body, everything where you store up on me, it a go come back by you. I promise you that. You see me? You never see me a fuck around you. You never see me a drag you in a certain way unless you fuck around me. When you see Jayden, you see things and what you do to me, remember me tell you say it shall come back right up on you. I promise you that. I promise you that for my life. You hear me tell you? Remember. You hear me tell you? You see a person when you go around and fuck around people and you come out and fuck around me for nothing at all, youth. You come and disrespect me. What the hell my pussy you talk about? All my pussy. You get my life I talk about my pussy. Eh? That's how far you go. You understand what I say? Me say it shall come back upon you. Remember me tell you that. You see the good way, you see what me do? Me now go take it back. Anything what me do, me happy for what me do. Me happy for everything what me do. Me now go take it back. You understand what I say? If you have a problem, you come do something about it. And if me a fuck Anthony, you must know. Cause must the cocky did you did want in your body hole. And must the dick you did want in your body hole. Make you a chat, dog shit.